Robert back here. It's that time of year again. A little late on making this video. Should have already had it up. It's fall meat time. Right around the corner. It'll be here before you know it. Oh man, did we have a good time last year. Man, oh man. If you wasn't there, man, you all missed out. Man, we got people come from all over the United States. I think we had about 75 people last year. I mean, it grows every year. And this combination of Bluegrass Bushcraft and Coleman Restoration, they kind of combined together. The lantern community is really growing, picking up a lot of members from them and coming in. So last year we had 200 lantern light up, and that was just awesome. And this year, being our Independence 250 anniversary, we're going to go for 250 lanterns this year. Can't wait, but it's going to be hard. It'll be hard to top last year, but we're going to go 250 this year, and that's just going to be so awesome. And, I think Steve's in charge of getting a count on that and trying to make sure we get enough lanterns in there. He's hitting people up. I don't know how many lanterns they're bringing. He's keeping the count on that. So appreciate Steve for that. Got a new batch of infinity matches made up. We have about 40 here. I had 45. But I put 5 in different kits that I had. So I keep some with the kits. And these were real popular last year. Everybody was hitting me up for them. So I've got enough for the fall meet. And if anybody else wants any of these, they're available. Just email me, or you can personal message me on Facebook, and discuss getting you some infinity matches. So, I made a couple of unique ones for myself. I'm constantly laying these down in my shop and losing them, covering them up with something, or not seeing them. So I made me a couple of extra long ones. Put a little red on them so they stick out a little bit. Maybe I can hang on to these too. But they're, y'all ain't never seen one of these. They're pretty neat. Just dip them in alcohol. Light them. And you can reach them door. Reach them right up in close to your mantle. You can get up there and you can help preheat your generator, and you've already got the flame up in there. When you crack that valve, the flame's already there, so you don't have that big flash as the gas builds up and catches. So they're plumb handy, I'll just tell you. So if you're interested in an infinity match, just hit me up. The ones I sell are a little bit shorter than that. I think these are roughly 5 inches long, the ones that I sell. Alright, meet is the first weekend of October again. I think the first falls on a Thursday, so we'll say Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. So a lot of people won't get there to the second on Friday, and then some don't come in until Saturday. But get you a good spot. You got to get there early. There's several of them going down Tuesday or Wednesday in the week that I've talked to, and I'm going to try to do that myself. But it just depends. My truck's broke down again, so I don't want to having it fixed before the fall meet. I don't think I'm going to fix it. I think I'm going to junk it. I got to find me something else. So if I found me something else before the fall meet, I'll be down early. But if I'm driving Melissa Blazer, it might be later in the week. So I'm going to get there as early as I can. And those who haven't been there before, this is a beautiful campground that has a stream running through it. It's all shaded, a lot of trees, hardwood trees, spruces, a lot of evergreen. It's just a beautiful, beautiful campground. It's primitive. It does have the vault toilets. If the water level is up, if we haven't had a drought, we've had a lot of rain on and off, so it's going to be hard to say this year because it comes downpour. It pour the rain for a couple of days and then it dries right back out. It gets so hot and dries the ground right back out. And then we'll go a week or two without rain and it'll do it again. And it's been a crazy summer. So as long as the creek's flowing good and we don't have a government shutdown, which I don't think we're going to, we should have trout stock in the stream. Out-of-state fishing license, you'll have to get those in the trout permit, or if you're local here in Kentucky, either way, you gotta have a local Kentucky fishing license and a trout stamp. And we have a lot of fun with the meat, fishing, and just remember, this is a family-friendly event. Keep it family-friendly. I have never had any issues so far, but we want to keep it that way. Some people bring their wives, grandkids, and be a lot of video channels, YouTube channels, videoing it. So it's got to stay family friendly. I don't know why I'm saying it, because it always has been. And I got a great bunch of guys, so maybe they all abide. And we're just all a bunch of like-minded guys, just out having fun, sharing our experiences, lantern, sharing knowledge, and teach you some skills. So once again, that is going to be the first weekend of October. It's Friday is the 2nd, Saturday the 3rd, Sunday the 4th. And if you want to make it the 1st on Thursday or even earlier, it's up to you. Y'all come on down. Alright, y'all know the routine. Like, share, subscribe. God bless. Arc fired up. I had the slant fired up, but I'm going to have to tear into it. I'm having trouble with the fuel pickup tube. I could light it and it burns a couple minutes, go right back out, and I'd turn it upside down, it come back on, and long enough for the fuel to burn out of the pickup tube, and then it was done. So I'm going to have to pull that, look at that fuel pickup tube. Everything else running like a champ. Just a couple bond inverted. Some AGM military kerosene. Oh, I love that old lantern. Here's my 237 new last year that Steve gifted me. It was new in the box. Absolute stunning lantern. 237, or 236 and 237, both my favorites. And I just absolutely love it. And Steve hooked me up with this one. As you can see, it's got a battle scar already. Done that first night we lit it. Man, had it hanging on a cable. My cable broke. Oh, I was upset. But that's just a battle scar. That's a memory for this one. All right. Y'all take care. God bless.